How to add border frame to photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, tap on the edit icon below. Here, go to the top right corner and tap on the markup icon. Once you tap the markup icon, a toolbar with various tools will appear. These tools include pen, pencil, highlighter, eraser, ruler, and color options. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the plus button. From here, you can add shapes, signatures, and other elements. Tap on Add Shape. From the options, select any shape that you like. You can now edit the size and color of this shape using the edit options. You can also add a text if you want. Now, drag and resize the shape so that it fits the screen as a border. After that, tap on the tick icon. Then, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily add border frame to photos on iPhone.